What is going on, guys? So today we're going to be unboxing the brand new Pride Edition Apple Watch bands. I'm actually very excited. I'm actually very excited to unbox these. I unbox these every single year and I absolutely love them. There is one. This is the Nike version, which is actually quite beautiful. We've got the Pride Apple Watch logo over there. Apple is proud to financially support LGBTQ advocacy organizations working to bring about a positive change. I love that Apple does this every single year. I love that Apple supports Pride. I've got friends. One of my best friends is gay, and he is so scared to tell his parents. He's so scared to tell, in general, society, that in 2021, this seriously should not happen. And this is Apple's Pride Edition braided solo loop. This is the one that I was the most looking forward to actually check out. There's so many colors. Let's go ahead and unbox the Nike version. We've got this pull tab over here, so let's go ahead and take that out. And I say this every single time, like, I'm not personally gay. I'm, super in love with Chenya, but you don't have to be gay. You don't have to be transgender to support the transgenders, to support the gays, to support the lesbian. We are freaking all the same, and love is free and love is for everybody. Look how awesome this is, this Nike logo with the Pride Apple Watch band. And there it is. Apple has released, this is actually quite nice. Apple has released a new Pride Apple Watch band for quite some time now. Here are all of them that have been released. On the back of the loop, it says Pride 2021 Apple Watch and the Nike logo. Watch out. I am so excited to unbox this one. Come on, I want to see it. I'm sure it's gonna be so colorful. All right, you guys are gonna see it before me. Ready? Whoa. It looks better in person. Like, I know this sounds stupid, but there are so many freaking colors. So I don't know if you knew this, but if you actually update your Apple Watch to the latest software, you're gonna get a new watch face called Pride Woven, and it matches, of course, the new Apple Watch band. So let's go ahead and actually try them on. This is actually the vegan loop. The vegan loop is a leather Apple Watch band that is 100% vegan and 100% animal cruelty free. My favorite thing about the vegan loop is that it actually feels like leather. Like, it's so freaking crazy. There's so many, crappy knockoffs on eBay and on Amazon, but this one actually feels like leather. Anyways, let's try it out. I actually chose the smallest version. This looks so nice. How do you guys like it? And this feels summery too. Like, this looks great. Love when Apple mixes software with hardware. This is sick. Which one do you guys like better? Let me know in the comments section down below. Let's never forget that love is for anybody. Let's never forget that we are all the same, no matter the gender, the race, or whoever the heck you want to love, whoever the heck you want to spend the rest of your life with. Love is for everybody. Let's be happy. Let's respect everybody. And I'll see you on the next one. Thank you guys for watching.
Love interrupted by tragedy. Lost in the drought of